What can you do at the park? Let's find out. Let's read. I can. The word in green is the special word in this story. Can. Say it with me. I can hop. I can hop. I can dig. I can dig. I can run. I can run. Can I run too? Said my friend. Can I run too? Said my friend. Yes, you can, I said. Yes, you can, I said. We can run. We can run. The park is fun. The park is fun. Now it's your turn to try. I will turn the pages and be quiet, look at the words and read. Give it a try. When you see the purple flower bounce, it's your turn to read. Good reading. Now let's review what we read. Use the words on the page to answer the questions. Read this. What does it say? It says I can run. What does her friend say? She says, can I run too? Does she say her friend cannot run? No. It says yes you can. Excellent. You've just earned a sticker. Remember the special word in green in this story. Can. Say can. Let's play a game. I will show some words and you have to find the word can. Like this. Find the word can. Can. One more time. Find can. Can. Thanks for reading with me. Let's read again soon. Subscribe to practice your reading.